Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading, Color Our World for July 14th, 2025, Part 2. Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr., illustrated by Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. We're going to make a puffy paint bear. What you'll need for this is some liquid glue. I have this big jug of glue. You can get them at Walmart or online. So you'll put some glue in the bottom of a bowl. I'm using a paper bowl because I don't want to get glue stuck to one of my plastic bowls. Then you want to add some shaving cream. Try to make it about a 1-to-1 ratio. So it's kind of hard to guess, but I'm putting about that much in. And instead of a spoon, I'm going to use a craft stick to stir it up. And then you're going to want to add a little bit of paint. Since we're making a bear, I'm making it brown paint. See how that goes. I'm gonna mix it really well. It smells really good. Looks like we need more paint. And I'm going to continue to mix this up. It's not as foamy as I would like. My shaving cream's a little old. The fresher shaving cream would work better. But I'm going to pause this while I mix this up. You don't need to watch me mixing forever. Okay, I've got this pretty well mixed up by now. That took me about 5 minutes, so you might want to plan ahead if you're doing this with little kids. You'll need a paintbrush. You can do it with your fingers, but I prefer a paintbrush. And then some extra glue, because we're going to glue a face on, and with the shaving cream it might not stick so well. Now your Craft-To-Go kit is a bear head, a bear mouth, and googly bear eyes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint the bear head. And we're going to paint with my paintbrush. And I'm just going to kind of dab it on And I want it nice and thick because I want it to be puffy when it dries. So I'm gonna put on extra paint. It's gonna take a long time to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple coats on, and then we'll come back and glue on the face. Okay, that's nice and thick. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue on the nose and mouth. It's going to slide around a little bit, so just kind of place it where you want it. And I'm going to glue on the eyeballs. There's one eye. And there's two eyes. And that's all there is to it. There's your puffy paint there, and once it dries it should be really nice and puffy.